How to add your mobile device to your Make.com account. Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily add your mobile device on Make.com account. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you've installed Make application on your Android or iOS device, and then also, on the other hand, go ahead and open up a web browser on a different device and then type in Make.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Make.com account as well by following the sign-in process. Once you're inside the home page of Make.com logged in, go ahead and click on the More button from the left-hand side menu and click on Devices. Now, go ahead and click on Add Device at the top right corner. Type in the name of your device or your phone in the text box and click on Continue. You'll then be able to see this QR code displayed on the page. Scan the QR code from your mobile device. Now, open up the Make application from your device that you're trying to add, and once you do, you'll see this kind of an interface where you need to tap on Scan a QR code. Once you tap on it, you'll see this camera page. Go ahead and scan the QR code on your Make.com website from your computer or any other device that you've logged in with. After you scan the QR code, you'll be able to add the device and you'll be signed in just like that. Your phone will now be connected to your account. You can also manually enter the code if the QR scanner does not work. Now, go ahead and click on Save on your computer or other device where the QR code is shown, and you have successfully added a device. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.